So I have to tell you, one of the trends in computing has been this dark mode craze, and I have really not got caught up in it. And I've toggled dark mode on in like a web browser and stuff like that, but I never would have considered it for an entire operating system. And that was until I stumbled into it in Windows 11. And I'm sure Windows 10 must have this same setting, but my goodness, I am never going back. I am trying the dark side. Luke, I am your father. Sorry. All right. So, where did I find it? I was in settings. In fact, the much more obvious way, you want to change the appearance of your windows. So I right click and personalize on the desktop, and we'll be brought into the personalization area of settings. And I am going to go to the colors area. That's where the color theme is going to be selected. And it's this first setting, choose your mode. And it has light, dark, and custom. I went over to the dark side, and immediately it just changed everything for me as far as my enjoyment of this tablet PC and writing on it and just working with it. I mean, that's it. I'm sold. There is no going back. Look at the start menu. For me, everything is just so much more visible. I'm sure this is going to be much easier on my old papers. So, yeah, dark mode. Check it out. I know this may be, again, this must have been available in Windows 10 and I just missed it, right? Or maybe Windows 10 doesn't look as fantastic as Windows 11 does in this mode, but I'm sold. Thanks for watching.